I've decided to introduce my new pet. Well, I've had him for 3 weeks now. Scotty. Say hi, Scotty. 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 Hi, bud. He's a good boy. He's only about 5 months old, and he's starting to trust me. When I just cleaned his cage, he absolutely sat still right there and did not flip out. And that is progress. Hi, bud. Hi, Scotty. He's such a good boy. And he is close to the piggies, so he hears me talking to them, and he can hear them. He can see them because he's right here. You like to watch the piggies? He's a good boy. Hi, handsome. One more time over here because I see Miss Cinderella. Oh, there's Jessica. Hi, babies. Where did Boopy go? There's Boop. There's Boop. Okay, this isn't about you guys this time. This is about Scotty. Hi, bud. Hi, handsome boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. That's my pretty boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. We'll have more videos of Mr. Scotty. Good birdie. I love you. Bye, Scotty. Say bye, Mama. Bye, Mama. Bye, Mama. Cutie pie.